is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the number one. One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the number one.
Lately I've been losing friends. I've been caught up in the music. They can't see it through my lens. They just think I make excuses. I've been busy trying to do it while they busy trying to bullshit. And when I'm about to blow, they gon' be coming around. That's true shit. I'm knowing nowhere to go. They telling me that I'm alone. I'm working to get it. They never gon' get it. They gotta go check out alone. This life won't last forever. I've been thinking about tomorrow, but I'm living in the present. They've been looking out to follow. I'm not made for that. I won't pay for that. I'm my own boss, never changing that. Can't hold me back when I'm on the map. I'ma do it all, never saving that. But it takes time and I know that. It's never been simple, I chose that. I'm copping the crib for the fam. When I got it, I'll never be doing below that. So how they gonna hate when really they don't want it bad enough? They tweeting all the time, but really they just gon' be acting tough. So tell me now who's up next? If it ain't me, then you suspect. And they cut checks and we gon' flex. I'ma be their favorite subject, I'm the one. I know I'm ready to go when I get it and never comparing it. Cause I'm ahead of it, not in my head with it. They gon' be checking it while I be checking it. Every Benjamin got it, that president put in my pocket. I pull up and rock it and pick up the profit. I pull out the wallet, I know that I got it. I'm never gon' give it, they been trying to block it, but never gonna slow me down. Everybody come around, pull up in a Benzo, pulling out bands. Flowing too heavy, they gotta make jams. Rocking the camo, be looking too deadly, been killing the game. We think I'm military, they been acting petty, they been temporary. I told them already, they never gon' check me like I'm rolling through my lane. Nobody been within the distance, and the game is slowest lately. I've been on my Stewie Griffin, never missing when I spit it. I've been ballin' with no limit. Told myself that I'ma get it if I want it. Now I'm in it, but I overcame, went through the pain. Everybody lies and they all the same. Talking about the work and they got the game. When they come down, man, they all lame. And nobody got the talent, they just looking for the camera. Man, I hate these motherfuckers. Somebody tell them I'm coming for the throne.